Okay, this is a question from Theta Mathematics. I'll just make a note of that. So this is Theta Mathematics textbook, and this is exercise, what is it, 24.02. This is question 5, I think, yeah, 5. All right, and it says the weather forecast for the races next Saturday says there's a 25% of heavy rain. Horse named Gumboots has a probability of 0.4 winning if there is heavy rain. But otherwise, the probability of winning is only 0.04. So his chances of winning increase if there's heavy rain. So obviously, he's able to navigate the terrain better if the ground's a bit damp or really slushy at least. All right, so let's have a look. So let's draw this a probability tree. So we've got 25% chance of heavy rain. So let's put a quarter there. And 3/4 is not heavy rain. So this one here, I'll put heavy rain. And over here is, I'll put I'll put HR, heavy rain, yeah? It could still be rain, but it's just not heavy rain, yeah? So heavy rain, so Gumboots has a probability of 0.4 of winning if there's heavy rain. So heavy rain and Gumboot wins. I'll put a win here, so this is a win. And it's got to be a 0.4. 0.4, or we could have just said 4 out of 10 or 2/5, yeah? I'll make a note of that, it's 2/5. I think we'll just keep, if there are fractions there, let's keep everything to be a fraction, and we just keep it consistent, it's 2/5. Yeah, that's 0.4. So, and of course, a loss here is going to be 3/5 chance. Okay, so not heavy rain. So if there's not heavy rain, his chance of winning is it goes down quite a lot, and it's 0.08. So this is a win now, and it's 0.08. Yeah, so a non-win, a loss here. We're not concerned really about a loss. We just want to know the probability he's going to win. So the probability of win is either going to be a 0.4 here or a 0.08. So it's going to be either it's going to be this and this, so heavy rain and a win, or it's going to be not heavy rain and a win. So we could actually write that out. So what's the probability of heavy rain and a win? Or we've got another possibility of not heavy rain and a win. And that equals, well, heavy rain, that's a quarter, or 0.25, and is times a win is 0.4, or is plus, not heavy rain is 3/4, so 0.75, and is times, and a win is 0.08. 0.08. So that is going to be where we land. Let's have a look at all that oil comes to. So I'll type in all that. So we've got 0.25. Oh, gone out of focus. Go into focus. There we are. So we've got, 0.25. I think it goes better with the thing behind it, actually. So I've got to be able to see it, though. So here we go. So it's going to be 0.25 times, I can't see it now, 0.25 times 0.4 plus 0.75 times 0.08. And that should do it. And we get 0.16. So this equals 0.16. Now, so we should probably write a concluding statement, therefore. So we should say, therefore, probability of a win in either situation, being heavy rain or not heavy rain, is 0.16. Now you'll notice I sometimes write it without a leading zero. In probability, in most scientific papers that I've come across, we tend not to use a leading zero where the number cannot be more than 1, where the leading number cannot be more than 1. It's just superfluous, it's redundant, it's extraneous to requirements. So we just put a point there. So that's why that works that way. Anyway, that is how I get my answer. Hopefully that makes sense.